What's going on, guys? Before we jump into today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Last Fit Auto Lighting. I have a 10% off discount code and a link to anything on their website in the description below, so make sure to go hit them out. We just installed the H111 headlight bulbs into the Tahoe. We also have the LED reverse lights and the LED license plate lights. They're brighter than anything I've seen before, and they have great quality lighting. If you need anything LED lighting, and they also do interior lighting as well. If you need anything, make sure to hit the link in the description below. Use the discount code thatwide.bowtie at checkout and get 10% off. Huge shout out to Last Fit for everything that they do for us. You guys are the best. Let's jump into the video.
This is Brad, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing today? Today's video is all about the Tahoe, all about the Tahoe. We're really diving into this build, and if you guys have not been caught up on the build, make sure to hit up the Tahoe build series playlist that I have on my YouTube channel. It will get you from the day we bought it, just from even looking at it, up until today current. We haven't done much to it, but we got a whole bunch coming in. We were supposed to do some lights today, but they were the wrong size, so we've always got stuff going on. The bow tie is here. It's down the street a little bit over there, but we're gonna bring that in later on in the video. Today, you can tell by the thumbnail, what should we do? Should we lift it? Should we lower it? I don't know. Either way, it's getting a MCGAUGHYS lift or lower kit, whichever we decide. And I kind of want to let you guys help us decide what we should do with it. There's a lot of there's a lot of lower Tahoes out there. That's what everybody likes to do, is low and fast. And there's not a lot of big lifted Tahoes. I know D-Max Rhino just did a lowered one, but I'm thinking of going a different direction completely. And even people that have done the lifted Tahoes, they've never had a lifted Tahoe to match a lifted Silverado. So we're gonna dive into the video, but first we are doing a small mod today. What we're gonna be doing today with the Tahoe as I come down the hill. Today, like I said, new mod coming to the Tahoe. We're gonna be taking off the side steps. I'm gonna jump into that real quick and then we'll jump into the video. That might actually have been the easiest mod I've ever done, and that is saying a lot. That took me like 15 minutes to do, and most of that time was messing around with the camera for you guys for the first half. But what do you guys think? I know I just showed you some cinematics, but I think it looks really good. Easiest leveling kit install I've ever done, because that's pretty much what it looks like. It looks like we threw a leveling kit on this. And then, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I like it better without it. Kind of looks like my truck now with where it's got the underhang on it. It looks pretty good. I like it. I've never been a big fan of the side steps, but we're gonna jump into the video today. I know you guys are excited to hear what I have to say about this whole MCGAUGHYS thing. Obviously, you guys know I'm partnered with MCGAUGHYS on my truck, and whatever I do with my truck, MCGAUGHYS is gonna be a part of it. That's obviously a given. But whether we're partnered with MCGAUGHYS or not, this vehicle, because it's associated with me, is also going to be all MCGAUGHYS as well, partnership or not. That's how we're rocking. I believe in their products. I love their products. I've never had any issues. They're a fantastic company, and that's just who we want to work with. So the reason I made this video today is because I need your help. I hear a lot of back and forth about whether we should slam the Tahoe or whether we should lift it. And I'm really making this video today for you guys to help us decide what we're gonna do with it. So, I know where I'm sitting, I know where she's sitting, and I know where a lot of other people are, but she wants to slam it, I wanna lift it. But we're really, we're back and forth about it. Like I said, I see a lot of people slam them, I see a lot of people lift them, and I really would like the opinion of you guys in the comments below. Let me know what you think we should do. Should we slam it and throw some 26s on it, or should we lift it and throw some 375s on it like the Silverado over there? Either way, it's going to be a MCGAUGHYS lift kit or lowering kit, because I do know they make drop kits. So I'm really back and forth about what we want to do. I think if we did the lowering kit, we may not even drop it any more than it is, just because I feel like trying to squeeze 26s under this would be pretty difficult. We would probably just get rid of whatever's on it, the drop shackles, the lowering springs, and do a full MCGAUGHYS drop kit on it. Or if we lift it, obviously you guys know where it's going, and that's towards that right there. 9-inch kit with 375s, and that's all I'm gonna say. Because I mean, we've got big plans for that, and if we end up going with that, they're gonna match, and it's gonna be bigger than anything you guys have ever seen before. Not bigger size-wise, but just it's gonna be something special. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We've got a lot of stuff planned. We've got all kinds of facelift mods, I should say, for this on the way. Some stuff that we've been trying to get done for a little while. I've also got some other lighting TRENDZ products to match for this as well. There's all kinds of stuff that we're doing, but I need to know what you guys think. Let me know, should we slam it? Should we lift it? It's all MCGAUGHYS. Let me know what you think. Do some research, send me some pictures on Instagram, do whatever you need to do. I'm gonna let you guys vote in the comments below. Comment slam or comment lift in the comments below, and I'll put the results on Instagram. Hopefully a lot of you engage and comment. That would be great. But I really want to know what you guys think. It would be really different if we lifted them, because you don't see a lot of lifted matching trucks. I know Grill Tech does it, and then like Scoop has done it, but other than that, and we're gonna match more than even those two when we do this. So it's gonna be something really special if we can really pull this off. I've got a wheel partnership I'm working on right now that's bigger than anything I've ever even imagined before. And I really would love the input from you guys. So just let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We've always got new stuff coming with the Tahoe build, so make sure to go check out the build series. If you guys like the channel, hit the like and subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. I'm pushing towards 5,000 right now, and that's been a big goal of mine for a long time. So please support me with that. Hit that like and subscribe button. But I'm gonna walk down the street a little bit and give you guys, I don't have a lifted Tahoe that I can show you obviously, but I'm gonna give you just a little bit of what the Tahoe could be if we lifted it. You guys know I'm on the lifted train. I'm on the lifting side. That's what I want to do with it, and I really hope that you guys could join me on the lifted side. Just imagine the Tahoe. Just imagine the Tahoe sitting big like this, big 375s, 9-inch lift, all red the lift. I'll go ahead and throw that out there. If we do the lifts, it's going to be all red everything. Maybe even red wheels. I mean, we want to go big with it. So let me guys, I mean, just imagine that Tahoe with 8 inches of tire sticking out on each side. That would be absolutely insane. Holy crap. I'm not worried about price. I'm not worried about timeline. I'm not worried about any of that. I want to make sure that we do it, and if we're going to do it, we do it right. So let me guys know what you think. MCGAUGHYS lowering kit, MCGAUGHYS lift kit. She's back and forth. I'm back and forth, and that's why I'm kind of trying to get some, I mean, lowering it, there's me personally, I really want to lift it, because once you put lift kits on it, you can match things with the lift kit. If it has the lowering kit on it, there's really nothing that you can see underneath it. There's nothing to show off underneath the lift kit, which is something, you know, that I would rather have lift kits, because we can make them the same color and we can make them nice and pretty. That kind of sounds weird, but with a lowering kit, you're not going to see any of that, and it just takes away a huge aspect of the build. There's pros and cons to both. I mean, the Tahoe's faster, so even when it's lifted, it'll still be faster than mine. But having mine is like driving a dump truck around. It's like, you know, you can't turn sharp. Tight parking lots are an issue. The like parking garages, drive-throughs. I mean, there's a lot of issues that come with a lifted truck, but also there's a lot of pros. I mean, well, the pros are it looks good, but there's a lot of cons that come with a lowered vehicle too, especially something big like this. You're gonna scrape. It's hard to go over speed bumps and, you know, really, you know, steep inclined hills, which there's a lot of around Atlanta, and it just, I feel like getting into that low is something I'm not really ready to dive into. But again, if that's what we end up doing, I will dive fully into it, and we will make it the best lifted Tahoe on Instagram and YouTube, and probably the only matching set anywhere. And that's something I'm really excited about. So let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna end the video right there. Let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
That one.
pretty damn wide.